Alright, good day everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kasaligan Vlogs. And today's video, we will be talking about compound statements and grouping symbols. And this is mathematics in the modern world. So, if compound statement is written in symbolic form, then parentheses are used to indicate which simple statements are grouped together. In this case, so the symbolic form, this is the symbolic form. So the parentheses indicate that the Q and not R are grouped together because this is the parentheses. So therefore, these one are grouped together. And the second symbolic form, so P and Q are grouped together because that is put into a parenthesis. And the third one is P and not Q are grouped together, this one. And R and S, R and S are grouped together, so this one. So this is an example of symbolic form that is being translated into or parentheses, put into a parenthesis. So again, if compound statement is written in symbolic form, the parentheses are used to indicate which simple statements are grouped together. So that would indicate that these simple statements are grouped together. And if a compound statement is written as an English sentence, then a comma is used to indicate which simple statements are grouped together. Statements on the same side of the comma are grouped together. In this example, English sentence. So this one, P, comma, and Q or not R. So therefore, the comma indicates that Q and not R are grouped together because they are both on the same side of the comma here. The same side of the comma because this is the comma. And in the second English sentence, P and Q are grouped together because they are both on the same side. So pareho sa outside. So this one, P and Q, same side sila. And comma or R. So therefore, R lahi outside. But this one are grouped together. The simple statements are grouped together because they are both on the same side of the comma. So this one, diba? And P and not Q, this one, comma, are grouped together because they are both to the left of the comma, to the left of the comma. And this one are grouped together also together because they are both to the right of the comma, R or S. Or R and S are also grouped together because they are both to the right of the comma. Okay, at this point of time, so we will translate, translate compound statements. Okay, translate compound statements. So let P, Q, and R represent the following. First, you get a promotion that is stands for the P. And the Q, you complete the training. And the R, you will receive a bonus. So this one, so P, Q, and R statements. That these statements are represented by P, Q, and R. So write P and Q, this one, if P and Q, then R. So this one as an English sentence. So this one is group, right? Okay, this one is group. The simple statements are grouped together, P and Q. So if this one is conditional, so this one is conditional. So therefore, if P and Q, then R as an English sentence. So let us translate this one into word. The first one is this one. Let us focus of this one. First, we can translate this one as P. What is our P? Which is what you get. Okay, you get a promotion. And this one stands for and. So therefore, this one stands for the and. You are going to put and. And Q. What is our Q? You complete the training. You complete the training. And this one, okay. Next, the R. What is R? You will receive then. So this one is then. If. We will put if here. If you get a promotion, because this is by conditional. If you get a promotion and you complete the training, comma, then. Your then is R. You will receive a bonus. Okay. You will receive a receive. You will receive a bonus. Okay. Hold on. Okay, so this one, if we're going to translate that one accordingly, note it is acceptable to interchange proper names with pronouns and remove repeated phrase to make the written statement more readable, as long as the meaning of the logical statement is not changed. So thus the translation of this one is, if you get a promotion and so we remove you here, complete the training, okay, then comma, then you will receive a bonus. Okay, so this is how to translate this one. So therefore, if you get a promotion and complete the training, then you will receive a bonus. Okay, next one is right. If you do not complete the training, then you will get a promotion and you will not receive a bonus in symbolic form. So understood that this one, you will get a promotion and you will not receive a bonus is in one are grouped together. Okay, see, if you did not complete the training, so if you did not complete, so let's have first this one, if. Okay, if you did not complete the training, okay, you did not complete the training, so this one complete the training, so therefore if not, that is Q, diba? If Q, or we could remove this one, if you do not complete the training, so this one, if you did not complete the training, the symbol for this one is, okay, not Q, wait lang, not Q, okay. Okay, not Q. Okay, we'll erase one, not Q. And then, so therefore, this is this is conditional rather, conditional. So understood, this one is conditional statement. And this is group. You will not get a promotion. You get a promotion, so therefore, negate. Negate P. and you're using and here, and you will not receive a bonus. Negate R. Okay, so this is how to translate the compound sentence or statement from English to symbolic. Okay, so again, right, if you did not complete the training, if you did not, since this the statement Q is you complete the training, negate, and this one is then, so therefore, this is if and then, this is conditional. So therefore, you will not get a promotion and you will not get a bonus. So that's how to translate this one. Next, let P represent the statement I finished my assignment. Okay. And let Q represent the statement I cleaned my bedroom. Let R represent the statement I played mobile games. And let S represent the statement I stream Netflix. So how to translate this one? So this one is not P and Q. Okay, so this case we will translate this not. Okay, this one we could replace this one as it is not the case. Okay, this is one is negation. It's not the case, and we will replace this one as our and. Okay, so therefore it is not the case that what is our P? P is I finished my assignment. That I finished my assignment. Okay, this one is negation. Okay, that our P is this one. I finished my assignment, and this symbol we can replace this one as R and this is our P and this is R and I finished my assignment, and next one is RQ. RQ here represent I cleaned my bedroom or cleaned my bedroom. Okay. So it is not the case that I finished my assignment and cleaned my bedroom. So therefore this is our Q. Next, this is two groups. Group this one and group. Since this is conditional, we will start with the statement if. Okay. This one is if and then. If, what is P and Q? What is P? I okay, I finished my assignment. Okay, this one. This is our P and this is our and. Okay, and this is our Q, which is our Q is I clean my bedroom. So therefore we could have clean my bedroom. Okay, this one is our Q. This one is conditional, so therefore comma, then What is our R? Our R statement is I played mobile games. Then I played mobile games. And this one is stands for or. Symbolic for or. What is our S? S statement represent stream and Netflix. Netflix. Okay, so this one, we can translate this one into symbolic words. If I finish my assignment and clean my bedroom, then I played mobile games or stream and Netflix. Okay, next one, we will translate this symbolic statement into words. First, and this one is by conditional, if and only if. Okay, so we can translate this as possible. A translation of the statement is that this one is it is not in the case. Okay, this one not. Okay, not in the case. What is our R? Our R is here. I played mobile games. It's not in the case that I played mobile games. Next is this one is or this is our R and this one is or S. What is our S? So the stream Netflix or stream Netflix and Netflix. This one is if and only if statement. If and only if and only if this is by conditional, and this one is it is not in the case. Okay, this one P. What is our P? That I finished my assignment, and this one is and. What is our and? And Q. Clean my bedroom. And my bedroom. Okay. So this one is it is not the case that I finished. So therefore this is our P. This one is our P and this one is our N. This one and this one is our Q. Okay. And Netflix is RS. Okay. If and only if this is our by conditional statement. Okay. So this is how to translate each of the following symbolic statement into words. Okay, so let us have another example. Let P represent the statement my roommates ordered Greenwich pizza. Let Q represent the statement I ordered spaghetti. And let R be the statement our friends came over to watch movie. So we need to translate this following statement, symbolic statement, into words. Okay, so this one is if then. So therefore this is by conditional. We will start if, and this one is negation. So what is our R? Our R here represent our friends came over to watch movie. Okay, so if our friends did not, okay, because this is negate, did not come over to watch movie, and this one is conditional statement, then group here, P, what is our P? My roommates ordered Greenwich pizza, or this one is statement of or. Okay, this one is our or. What is our Q? Our Q is or ordered spaghetti. So again, this one is if our friend. So this is negation of R. This one did not come over to watch the movie. And this then, if then, so this one is a symbol. And this one is our P. And this one is our Q. Our next statement, if then. Okay, by conditional statement. So therefore we have here if the groupings of this one is P, if my roommates ordered Greenwich pizza, and what is our Q? And ordered spaghetti, and I ordered spaghetti, then what is our R? Our friends came over to watch the movie. Again, to watch the movie. This is the movie. And this is I ordered. Okay, I ordered spaghetti. Lucky I. Alright, so very good. Again, we will have P if our P is this one, ordered Greenwich pizza. And I ordered spaghetti. So this one is and. This is our P. And this is our Q. Then our friends came over to watch the movie. Okay, watch the movie. Okay, this one, the movie. And the last one is it is not in the case that what is our P? my roommates ordered Greenwich pizza, or what is our cue? I ordered spaghetti. I ordered spaghetti. Okay? What is our cue here? It is not in the case that my roommate ordered. Okay, again, this one is, it is not in the case that my, what is our P? My roommates ordered Greenwich pizza, or our cue here is I ordered spaghetti. It is not in the case that my roommate ordered Greenwich pizza or I ordered spaghetti. Okay, so let's have try this. So you have to try this at home. Let PQR represent the following. Samuel singing style is similar to Larry. Samuel has a messy hair, and R. Samuel is a ballader. So you're going to translate this one. So thank you for listening. I hope you learned something today. And for the next video, please watch. Thank you and God bless.